take this opportunity to give you your new names as applicants. This is a certificate of confirmation that certifies that the rite of Den 2 was joined by Brother Clifford Brown. In the spirit of our ancestors, and I ask you to come into the circle to accept your certificate. In the spirit of our ancestors and in the name of Adwa, the fierce and the compassionate one, was given the Akan Kraden soul name of Kwesi. Akwesi Kosiba. Born on Sunday, meaning life and renewal, given this day, issue of new dawn.
Thank you. Thank you all. Something I would treasure.
You can shake his hand. Ooh, I don't shake his.
Okay, that's a wonderful.
Certificate of confirmation. This certifies that the rite of Den 2 was joined by Brother Aaron James. Aaron. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Adul, the fierce and compassionate one, was given the Akan Kraden soul name, Kwesi. Born on Sunday, life renewal, given at Itri Elmina, Ghana, West Africa. Make sure they call you by that name.
Yeah, Kwesi from now on.
Kwesi, okay? This certifies that the rite of Den 2 was joined by Brother Gary Anderson. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of our Dwo, the fierce and compassionate one, was given the Akan Draden soul name, Quadwo. Born on Monday, calm and peaceful soul.
That's me. That's me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Calm and peaceful one.
Yes, yes.
All right. You're not getting yours. We're going to save Bomani's. Certificate of confirmation. This certifies that the rite of Den 2 was joined by Brother Cortez Gunta. Yes. Brother Gunta. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of our Dwo, Tralisi, fierce and compassionate one, was given the Akan Kraden soul name of Quadwo. Born on Monday, calm and peaceful. Are you calm and peaceful?
Yes.
You are. You look like it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Rocco Joe.
All right. This certifies that the rite of Den 2 was joined by Brother Michael Davis. Michael. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Aha, the advocate and controlling one, was given the Akan Draden soul name, Kwesi. Kwesi spelled with an E. Born on Wednesday, the hero and the messenger. You are the hero and the messenger.
There it is.
Certificate of confirmation. This certifies that the rite of Den 2 was joined by Sister Tracy Patterson. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Yao, the confrontational and aggressive one, was given the Akan Draden soul name, Yao. Awa, Baba, Yaba, Baba. Born on Thursday, strength and power. He's calm. You got to be aggressive. You complimented him. This certifies that the rite of Den 2 was joined by Brother Righteous Edu Lekutu. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Yah, the confrontational and aggressive one, was given the Akan Dragon soul name, Yah, born on Thursday, strength and power. I know him when he was a small boy. Certificate of confirmation. This he's not here. Xavier Jastrita. This certifies that the rite of Adentu was joined by Sister Pauline Melvin.
Yes, sis.
In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Yah, the confrontational and aggressive was given the Akan Praden soul name, Yah. Ayawa, Abba, Yaba, Abba. Born on Thursday, of strength and power. And Yah was
Yeah, since what?
the word. Yes.
Nothing. Thanks, sis.
This certifies that the rite of Adentu was joined by Sister Dolores Johnson. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Yah, the confrontational and aggressive one, was given the Akan Draden soul name of Yah. Born on Thursday, strength. You thought you was born on Friday?
I was born on Friday. Maybe I was
Well,
born on
wait, now, listen, you can check it out, because I thought I was born on Saturday for the longest time. And then I found out I was born on Friday.
Well, I need to find out.
And
but
I figured my
check
mother ought to know, but she was there. But I guess as much pain as I brought her, I distracted her. But for today, this is Thursday, but we'll check. And if it's Friday, we'll change it.
You're being confrontational. I think it's Thursday.
Is it Thursday? This certifies that the rite of Adentu was joined by Brother Bruce Williams. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Agwo, the fierce and compassionate one, was given the Akan Draden soul name of Kofi. Kofi or Kiki. Born on Friday.
Going on Friday.
Diligent and productive.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds like you.
That's me.
You got it.
Uh-huh.
Living in Elmina, Ghana,
Thank you.
West Africa. Good shit. That sounds like you.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, that's you. This certifies that the rite of Adentu was joined by Brother Ron Bizzle. Ron. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Adwo, the fierce and compassionate one, was given the Akan Draden soul name of Kwame. Kwame or Kwame. Born on Saturday, the Master and the Wise One. Given this day at Kumasi, Ghana, West Africa. It fits. It does.
Thank you, sister.
The Master and the Wise One. This certifies that the rite of Dentu was joined by Sister Georgia Inifu. Brave sister. In the spirit of our ancestors, in the name of Afi, the adventurous, creative, and innovative one, was given the Akan Draden soul name of Amma. You know, Amma was born on a Saturday. I thought that was me. But being the Master and the Wise One. Given at Elmina, Ghana, West Africa.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom.
One more for easy.